Hey, what's good? So today we are doing my sister hair today. So we're just reinstalling a wig on her head. I'm going to go ahead and braid this down, but she already know. Come braid it already. I don't care what y'all saying because it's my way. When you ain't a paying customer, then come braid it. So at this point, all she is saying is that she didn't really want a stocking cap on her head, but I put one on her head, so I didn't do the ball cap method, but I did put a stocking cap just to put it, put it over her hair. So at this point, all I'm doing is just adjusting the wig, making sure that it's, where it go. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit her with 2 layers. And then we're going to put this wig on. We ain't going to be here all day. You hear me? We're going to get straight to the point. So like I already said, I'm going to put this first layer. We're going to let this dry clear. Then I'm going to put another one. And then I'm just going to place the wig. So those are the products that I'm going to be spraying the wig with. Of course, it helps with the blend. And definitely being that I don't have my sit under dryer over here, I love to spray it with that. But anywho, so I'm just making sure that second layer is kind of sprayed. Now, y'all see it's clear for the most part where it's going to be clear. Let's go ahead and do this. Don't you just hate them clients that want to go see, look in the mirror every 5-10 minutes and stuff like that? So that's what y'all finna experience in a minute. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what it is. Much love. Peace. So I'm guessing she's starting to have faith at this point because she just thinking she is it right now. So this is the finished product. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all know my phone be going dead, so I'll be getting a camera soon, but y'all work with me for the time being.